Chapter 8 Unity in Diversity or Many in the One. Notes and Summary from Grade 6, Subject Social Science. Introduction. Unity in diversity captures how India's vast differences coexist within a shared identity. Tagore's prayer, the one in the play of the many, and Aurobindo's view of Swabhav, true nature, stress that India's fundamental strength lies in its many parts forming one whole. Big questions. First, how do we define unity in diversity in the Indian context? Second, which aspects of India's diversity stand out most? Third, where and how does an underlying unity reveal itself? A rich diversity. Traveling across India reveals changing landscapes, distinctive dress styles, regional cuisines, multiple languages, and different scripts. Internal migration makes many people live away from their birthplace, adding to multicultural encounters. With 1.4 billion people, India hosts 4,635 communities, 325 languages, and 25 scripts. People of India survey. Food for all. Staple grains common across regions, cereals, rice, wheat, barley, millets, pearl millet, bajra, sorghum, jowar, finger millet, ragi. Pulses, moong dal, masoor dal, chana dal, arhar dal, rajma, etc. Pan-Indian spices, turmeric, cumin, cardamom, ginger. Key idea: the same basic ingredients can be combined in countless ways to create endless regional dishes. Textiles and clothing. The sari, a single unstitched length of cloth worn pan-India, made of cotton, silk or synthetics. Famous silk varieties Banarasi, Kanjivaram, Paithani, Patan Patola, Muga, Mysore. Weaving methods and design techniques in loom versus printed produce hundreds of patterns and color palettes. Ancient roots. A stone relief from Vaishali, Bihar shows women wearing a sari centuries BCE. Regional drapes, endless ways to wear it, also used creatively: shawl, turban, baby carrier, bag, etc. Festivals galore. India's festival calendar is vast, but many share a common purpose and timing under different names. Makara Sankranti, harvest festival around Jan 14, appears as Uttarayan, Gujarat, Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Magh-Bihu, Assam, Lohri, Punjab, Posh Sankranti, Bengal, and many more across states. Key insight: a single cultural movement spawns multiple regional celebrations. An epic spread. Indian literature combines huge linguistic diversity with shared themes of dharma, righteousness. Panchatantra. Over 2,200 years old, animal fable collections teaching life skills. Approximately 200 adaptations in 50 plus languages across Asia and Europe. The epics Ramayana and Mahabharata together span approximately 7,000 pages in Sanskrit. Celebrate heroes restoring dharma, Ram in Ramayana, the Pandavas in Mahabharata. Hundreds of folk versions in every region, including tribal retellings linking local geography to epic travels. Epic impact. These texts wove a pan-Indian cultural web that still unites diverse communities. Before we move on, summary. India's diversity shines in its landforms, peoples, tongues, garments, cuisines, festivals, and stories. Beneath this rich variety lies an enduring unity, a sense of shared heritage, values, and identity. Unity in diversity means differences enrich rather than divide, forming the many in the one. So friends, we have completed short notes and summary of chapter 8, Unity in Diversity or Many in the One. We have already studied all the question answers of this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. We will do short question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.